I'm Vicky, and this is
Jordan. And we are...
famous fashion designers.
Well, we will be if we win.
Yeah.
We are both competing against each other, so I hope...
We're actually good mates, but we're going to pretend that we're not really.
But if we don't matter if we win or lose, because we've got into the final, and I think that we will still be fashion designers even if you come second.
Yeah, because I think both is really beautiful, but I think that yours is better than mine. Should you go see the design?
We are going to be, first of all, we are going to be doing Hallmarker designs, and first of all, we need to meet our judges.
Yes, and also I'm the host, so can I do that?
Yeah. Okay, so host, go ahead.
Okay, this is Chantal. This is Diana. This is Sky, and this is Feather. Yeah, right. Let's go see the designs. Oh yeah, I'm Abby. Sorry.
Okay, so first of all, here is my design.
Yeah.
What I did is I just got like material and cut it into a t-shirt shape, short t-shirt shape, and I just curved it around. I did, and just made it into a one sleeve t-shirt. Then I cut a sort of mini skirt thing, and then I just twirled that around it. And I got a belt on it.
It's a very nice design, but I have to say, these guys are way taller than us. How could you do such a thing?
Oh, we have ladders.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so now let's see your design.
Okay, can you move it away? Oh, yeah, sure, sorry. Okay, yes, these are very tall, I have to say, but this is my design. What I did was there was this big non-tutu type thing, this pink thing, and well, I cut some of it off, and then but then I kind of did this. I didn't really like the colors at the top of the skirt, so I kind of hid them with this. So I put this over afterwards, and then I added a belt, and then I tucked it all in, of course. Well, I did that first, but you know. So yeah, that's my design. I wish you could design shoes and trousers and stuff. Then I might do like a basic one, but still.
Okay, so after the break, you will find out what the judges think about these designs. And so far, I can't decide myself. See ya!